He ain't never been late?
Never.
Oh, wow. Okay.
You know much about him, right?
I know a lot about him. No, I don't want to be on camera tonight. If I was ready to be on camera, I would go ahead and interview for you. You want to do a podcast? They have podcasts for the news.
Are you on live or something?
Yeah, this is where he go live at. No, you're not on here.
Oh, okay.
No. Damn, so he was never late on rent and he be begging us for money.
Who are you? I'm sorry.
I'm one of the fellow coworkers. We all work on this app. This is the app we work on. Like, we've been following him for years. At one point he was banned from the United States. He was in Puerto Rico hiding.
No wonder he has a Puerto Rico phone number.
Yeah.
He was telling me he's African.
Yeah, he African. We don't do. Oh, they bringing more in. Hold on, let me see if y'all can see him. Yeah, this the whole coat you had living in your house, baby. It's a whole coat, baby. Oh, they bringing more in. He getting in the car. Look, did you see him? Look, he right there. He getting in the car, bitch. He got him with handcuffs. Ooh, he ain't African.
There's nothing behind you, bud. What's that? There's nothing behind you.
How long have y'all been looking for Nature Boy? Can you tell me?
I'm sorry.
How long have y'all been looking for Nature Boy?
I'm not sure who that is.
Oh, okay. That's the person y'all got, the main person.
I got it.
He was wanted?
No, I know he flee. They say he fled from the United States for a while to Puerto Rico.
Is that him coming?
No, that's not him. They already got him.
So you told me he was a wanted person?
Yeah, he fled from the United States for a while. He was wanted. This the SWATs and everything. His name is Eligio.
Yeah.
That's his real name. He run a cult called the
I found out not long ago about that.
Yeah, he run a cult. They was shooting a docu-series. I don't know how things went wrong. Carbonation. Yeah, baby. Go ahead and run me up. Shout out to Keys to the Streets, period. This is the Keys to the Street production. Period. This is the Keys to the Street production. He in the back of the car. Shout out to 21 Bad Bitch. Hey, sissy. Hey, YouTube. Okay, I think they're going to get the rest. Thank you. Can y'all bust my box open, please?
Yeah, this guy, they said he was wanted here and he fled to Puerto Rico.
Yeah, he fled to Puerto Rico.
And what is his real name?
Eligio.
Eligio?
Yeah.
And what's his last name?
I think what's his last name, y'all? It wasn't Puerto Rico, it was Hawaii too, and Panama. He went to Panama, Hawaii, and Puerto Rico.
You want to talk to my producer right quick?
You're who?
Yeah.
Hello?
Cedric.
Hello, Cedric. I can't hear him. Put him on speaker. I'm trying to.
Oh. Yeah. Cedric.
Yeah, Bishop. His last name is Bishop. Okay, he in the bed. He in the bed.
So, okay, so what happened, ma'am?
Yeah, he's a...
He's just a well-known cult leader called Carbonation. It's like people who don't really believe in God. They believe that he's the Messiah. And they do whatever he needs them to do.
And that's the County Police that's out there, correct?
Yeah, that's the CAP and the SWAT. They've been looking for him. Okay. Oh, shit. This is serious, honey.
All right.
Oh, shit. Oh, what the fuck, bitch? What?
Ain't that right, look?
What? Hey! Hi, Grady.
Y'all say what's up to Yo, I didn't do what I did. What's
Period.
The motherfuckers acting like they taking the president.
Can I ask you a question? But I don't want to be too inclusive. I just want to know how long have y'all been looking for him because he been on the run for a while. Do you know?
I don't know.
Okay. Who you with, the SWATs or decab?
Decab.
Okay. So,
I'm a detective.
oh, okay. And why was they called? Was it from the abuse? What was the lead? Can you tell me?
I want to get you somebody that can.
Okay.
We want to
get it
know
over here.
We live in the neighborhood. We want to just know what's going on in the neighborhood. We live here.
Okay.
Yeah, we gotta live out here. We gotta know what's going on in our neighborhood.
So it's no SWATs out here. This was all decab.
No SWATs.
Oh, it was SWATs? Okay, they left. Okay. Be careful.
That's the big homie.
Ooh. Ooh. Greedy say, hey, they didn't see you.
I had to do what I did, whatever it was. Okay,
we will. No problem. Is there anybody left? Oh, yeah, it is. There go another one right there. He getting in. Oh, it's plenty left. It was a lot of them. Oh, so the white boy was the feds. Because he ain't locked up. He ain't locked up. The new boy.
So the new dude that was over there, he was the snitch.
Oh, my God.
Oh, shit.
The white boy was the feds. With the...
Oh, shit.
Oh, my God. They is not locking him up. He just standing there watching. Oh, I know he nervous. To be an undercover, this got to be a dangerous game. That's got to be a dangerous game.
I'm on the scene, nigga.
He mixed or something.
Detective Low out this bitch getting
bitch,
tea.
we're out getting a skill. Big T.
Who? Yeah, I'm right here with Low right here. Look, matter of fact.
Yeah, hey. I'm here. Hey. Swing on me? That's my nephew. What do you got to swing on me for? I'm still at 5 stars.
Look,
give me to a box. Give me to a box. Give me to a box.
I want to get a close up on the white.
Give me to a box. Give me to a box. Give me to a box. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, let me cover the screen up.
Right there. I'm ready. Hey, look, I'm ready to get an interview.
Let me cover the screen up. Can y'all give me to a box, please? Y'all better go over there with Greedy.
Is that the news dude right there?
Yeah. He wants somebody to do an interview, too. He'll do an interview. Yeah. I ain't doing no interview. I ain't doing no interview.
You know I'm gonna say I had to do what I did.
I ain't doing no interview.
I had to do what I did, whatever it was. Shout out.
I don't want no parts of this. This the live that he was working on and stuff. We all been following them for years.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. You said what happened?
I'm just trying to figure out what went different this time because they ain't never did all this before.
Yeah,
Here go another one, y'all, coming in the car.
I'm the biggest freak. I live in a big neighborhood.
Here go another one coming in the car, y'all. Oh, he behind the tents.
Y'all can be like, man, that boy, greedy boy. Yeah, I heard. Hey, what the fuck happened with you and Charlie?
That bitch pepper sprayed my motherfucking back. I'm finna press charges on his ass too.
So Charlie was here
and he
first?
Say, yeah, he was here first. I came and took over the scene. Carbonation, be careful.
Man,
be careful,
crazy,
Carbonation.
Man, Big Greedy hit me, man. I got
be
you with
careful.
The commissary. I got you with the commissary.
Ain't no commissary. They probably ain't even gonna
stay there long. Or is he guilty by association?
He beat me earlier. I mean, we beat him earlier, y'all, so we got a man solid. Y'all beat him.
Oh, thank you for the voice. Who sent me that? I don't need no voice change right now.
You said change it. He said change the tape location? Damn.
Yeah, tell him what's up, Lo. Lo is on the scene.
I'm on the scene.
Y'all run it up. Y'all do not let them beat me, y'all. It's 2,000 people in here, y'all. Y'all do y'all thing.
I'm not doing no interview. Greedy could do an interview. I'm not doing no interview.
doing
Robert, Robert, you better mind your business, bitch. I'm not doing no interview, Brandon. Come on out. I need 2,000 more beans. I need 2,000 more. I need 2,000 more. Is everybody gone from the house now? And you don't know nothing? You just out here. Damn. You ain't even got on nothing to protect you. Just naked. Jesus Christ. Jesus is the reason for the season. Jesus is the reason.